Hey guys, so if you have the issue with your Smeg washing machine not draining, the one thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to help, is that it can possibly multiple issues. So the first thing is the drain pump filter. So this can be the first thing that can be like an issue with it that you want to check. So unplug the machine, locate the drain pump filter. It's going to be in the bottom of the front panel of the machine. Just there are YouTube videos on that. There can be also a blocked drain hose. So this is another thing that you want to check. You want to inspect it. You want to remove the hose, clear any debris using a long brush or flushing with water. And even there can be like a drain pump. So this is another thing that can be issue. So just want to make this quick video. Hope it helped you and have a great day and good